Okay students, now let us learn about noun phrase. So name itself says noun phrase. The phrase in which there is a noun is called noun phrase. Let us see the definition in detail. A group of words containing a noun and functioning as a subject, object or predicate is called noun phrase. So if you can't remember a lengthy definition like this, just remember as a phrase which contains a noun is called a noun phrase. That's it. But that noun plays the role of subject, or maybe sometimes that noun may be object, or sometimes it may be a predicate. So remember that thing. So here, to understand clearly, let us see one example from your first lesson. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. So here in this sentence, identify the parts of speech of every word. She is a pronoun. Saw is a verb, main verb, that is V2 form. See, saw, seen. It is V2 form. A is an article. Bald is adjective. Fat is also adjective. Middle-aged is also adjective. Man is a noun. So all these three adjectives are describing about man. Or else we can also say that these three adjectives are giving some more information. These three adjectives are adding some more information about the noun. So that's why this is called noun phrase. So from here to here, from a bald, fat, middle-aged man, from this article A to that man, this is called noun phrase. So whereas she is a pronoun, subject of the sentence, saw is a verb, and this total thing is object. Already we have discussed, right, that noun phrase may be an object. So here this noun phrase is playing the role of object in the sentence. Now let us see some more examples from your lesson. So here we have some more examples from your lesson and also out of the lesson. So let us see those examples. First example is the tattered blanket. Now can you tell me what is the noun in this sentence, in this phrase? Here blanket is a noun. Blanket is a noun. So here tattered means torn blanket. Here this tattered word is describing about this blanket. It is adding some more information about the blanket. So it is adjective. So this is article. So this is a noun phrase. A noun phrase contains article, adjective, noun and also sometimes determiners, prepositional phrases. So the next example is a thin bath towel. Here towel is a noun. Here thin bath towel. Thin is adjective and bath is also adjective. A is article. Is it clear? So this is also a noun phrase. But the example which I showed you previously, a bald, fat, middle-aged man, that is a long phrase. This is a short phrase. That's it. I have already told you, right? There may be some long or very long phrases also sometimes, or very short. This is a very short phrases with just two adjectives in it. And the next example is his office jeep. So here jeep is a noun and office is adjective here. Actually office is noun, but it is describing about the jeep, what type of jeep it is. So it is his office jeep. And the next example is her wrinkled cheeks. So cheeks is noun here, wrinkled is adjective, as it is describing about the cheeks. It is adjective. Her wrinkled cheeks. Next example, a ball of knotted yarn. Here yarn means thread. So here yarn is noun, knotted means tied or making like a round ball. So here knotted is an adjective and it is describing about this yarn. Next example, I want a cute puppy for Christmas. So what kind of puppy you want? Cute puppy. Here puppy is noun, cute is adjective, a is article. So from here to here, this is a noun phrase. Next example, lots of yummy cold ice cream. So here ice cream is a noun, cold is adjective and yummy is also adjective. So in this sentence, yummy cold ice cream is a noun phrase. So these are the examples of noun phrases. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you can add in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts there. So that's all for now. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.